Hey, toy retailers! Ever wondered how you can give your toy sales a massive boost? Well, today I'm here to talk about a game changer in the business world, CRM, or Customer Relationship Management Technology. Now you might be asking, what's CRM got to do with toys? A lot, actually. Imagine knowing exactly what your customers want, when they want it, and even predicting future trends. Sounds like a superpower, right? Well, it's possible with CRM. First off, CRM helps you keep track of all your customer interactions. This means every sale, query, or feedback doesn't just vanish into thin air. It's all stored neatly in your CRM system. This data is gold. It helps you understand your customers' buying patterns and preferences, which lets you personalize your interactions. And personalized interactions mean happier customers. Now, let's talk about marketing. With CRM, your marketing efforts can be more targeted. Instead of casting a wide net and hoping for the best, CRM analytics allow you to identify and focus on segments that are most likely to buy your products. Whether it's action figures, board games, or educational toys, CRM points you to the right audience. And there's more: inventory management. CRM systems can be integrated with your inventory data, helping you keep just the right amount of stock. Too much inventory ties up your capital, too little, and you miss out on sales. CRM helps avoid both, ensuring that your best sellers are always in stock when your customers need them. But how do you start? First, choose a CRM that fits your business size and needs. Whether you're a small shop or a large enterprise, there's a CRM solution out there for you. Next, train your team. A tool is only as good as the user, so make sure everyone is up to speed. And finally, keep tweaking. Use the insights from the CRM to continuously improve your strategies. So, are you ready to transform your toy business with CRM technology? Try free CRM tool today. Link in description below. It's not just about selling toys, it's about creating relationships and making every customer feel special. And that's the key to skyrocketing your sales. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to your success in the toy industry. Catch you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for your daily dose of inspiration and exciting updates.